the best deals weren't even on Amazon. Hey everybody, Mike here. So these are actually both from Best Buy. So I got a new FireTV and then a new monitor for my computer. It's 4K. So these were actually from Best Buy. So the monitor I did actually get on bestbuy.com, and then the TV was on Amazon, but it was shipped by Best Buy, and they actually came together. These were delivered by the same Best Buy delivery person, right? They actually had a Best Buy truck. So this is another random thing I got. Casa Smart Plug. I actually already have one of these. Very nice. It's only like $4, like 3 and some change. It was a deal on Amazon. So I don't want to say the name because it'll trigger 10 echoes that I have in my house. We're going to do an unboxing and quick setup of these two new devices. All right, so let's open up the monitor. So this is a 28-inch 4K monitor. So the deal was about $90 off, they said. About $230. So that's pretty big. So this is also included the stand. Right, I want to show in here. Actually, the screen is much bigger than I expected, to be honest. I have a Scepter. It's a 24-inch, and the 4 inches actually does make a huge difference. And then here's the adapter that comes with it, your power adapter cord. All right, so here's the back of the monitor. Here, headphones, HDMI, DP in, a service, and then a DC 19-volt power outlet that you would plug in there, and then that goes into your power source. So the monitor does actually come with HDMI cord, which I'm not going to be using because I'm going to be plugging it in to my Mac Mini as technically it's going to be the first monitor, but I have a monitor already hooked up to it. So this will be the second one. So I'm going to do it from the USB-C to the HDMI, which I already bought that cord. And then connecting the monitor to the stand is pretty simple. Connect this part here to the bottom. There's a screw at the bottom of there. Tighten it up, and then you can rest it on the monitor, and then ready to go. And it has power adapter there, which plugs into the back of the monitor. So let's go ahead and check this thing out. So right off the bat, I'm seeing a huge difference with the display. So here it is, Thinkorswim, right? Looking at my charts on the new Samsung monitor, right? And then if we pull that over and show, it's much more dull contrast, and the brightness on the Samsung is definitely a lot better. And so here is the Scepter. Quick comparison. One of my videos. It's in 4K, you can see. All right. Here it is. So there is backpack. Did a little review. All right. And then if we drop it, we bring it over here, you can see. Right? See how it's much more defined. The colors much more vibrant. Now I am noticing a little bit of a lag on my mouse here. I didn't change the settings on the mouse, so it's kind of more choppy on here. It's slower, which I don't like. I like it to be quick. Right, so that's one of the complaints. Also, with this stand, it's easy to set up, but I noticed if I move it a little bit back, right, you can tilt it forward or backward, not sideways, right? But if I tilt it back, it falls forward. I don't know, maybe it's something I did or what, but it keeps falling back, like coming towards me, and I kind of want it, especially since it's so bright, to not be doing that. Overall, the picture is much better for sure. The screen is a lot bigger than I thought. Almost looks like a TV. Overall, happy with the purchase, and we'll see how it goes. So we have the FireTV, also Prime deal was really available before the Prime Day because it was through Best Buy, but it was listed on Amazon.com. But Fire Edition TV, right? 32-inch LED, only 720p. That's not good, but it does have a remote with it, because I can't say it in here. So it is voice activated. It's built in, so that's actually nice because I can give it commands for my bedroom. I already have an Echo in there, but this one will, it's a backup maybe. Have more spies in my house. So let's go ahead and unbox this. Just want to show some quick specs. So 720p, 60 hertz, 3 HDMI, 1 composite, 1 digital output, 1 antenna. If anybody uses those anymore. I actually do because I don't pay for cable anymore. 1 headphone jack, 1 USB, wireless. So you get the internet on there. And then it's a voice remote. It does come with the 2 AAA batteries, the hand screws. And there are the dimensions of it. So, about 31.5 diagonal. So let's go ahead and open this up now. All right, I'm gonna open this up. We do have the controller here, voice activated. Power cord. Have the little, and put it on. So, pull it out. And there you go. 32 inches is still pretty big. So I plugged it in, selected the language, connected to the internet, and then it's downloading the latest software. Once it's done that, it should be good to go. It's been doing it for a couple minutes now, so I'd say about 5 minutes. Should be completely done. Total time to download this software. Because who knows how long it was sitting in this box. I think it was released in 2021, this edition of this Insignia FireTV. So I was able to sign in to the FireTV with a QR code that showed up on the screen. So I was happy about that because I didn't want to have to put in my Amazon password. So you can scan the QR code with your phone, or you can just go to amazon.com/code and then you enter the code they give you on the screen. So, but luckily the QR code worked. And then when I opened it up in Chrome, it was already there. You sign in to Amazon through your phone, which with Chrome, save the password. So that kind of makes it a little bit faster. So here we are on the main screen, right? I'll just say no thanks for now because I already have all that stuff. It did recognize that I already had an account, so it added it to my Amazon account and then it restored it. So all the apps and movies and such that I have here should already be on. So if we try to open up Netflix, see if it'll ask me for my password. So it looks like I will have to download all the apps. It's downloading Netflix now, which means I'll have to sign in to Netflix once it's ready. Prime Video should work already because I already signed in to Amazon, but it looks like I will have to download Netflix. On the screen, it did mention to download all the streaming apps, which I said no thanks, but it had asked me on the prior screen to restore what I already had. So really, it shouldn't even ask me that question. It should have just downloaded all the apps I already had because I did select yes to restore, but it didn't actually add all these apps back in. I have to download them. So while this is downloading, installing, let's check out the Alexa enabled voice remote. Alexa, turn on a light.
Okay.
Oh, there it is. And then She does respond on the TV. Alexa, turn off the light.
Okay.
And I probably don't have to say Alexa. Turn on the light.
A few things share the name light. Which one?
Turn on the light.
What do you want to turn on?
Alright, now she's being dumb. Alright, never mind, Alexa. Get out of here. So here is a show you might recognize on Netflix, season 4. Here is what that looks like. So it's okay. I mean, it's only 720p, so it's not going to be the best picture, right? But it's okay. It's just an extra TV for the bedroom. So the old one was really slow. So far this one has been doing okay. Overall, it's not bad. First impressions. I mean, it was only $99 and they did deliver it in like a day. So overall, pretty happy. It was listed on Amazon, but it was sold from Best Buy. If you can't beat them, join them. So can't blame Best Buy for selling things on Amazon. So overall, pretty decent purchase.